Okay guys, I'm back with another video. I've got a new part going on my car. I just gotta pull it out of the storage unit real quick. Car's all pulled in. I finally got enough room. Had to move all these cars forward. No, it is not a new front windshield that I'm getting. It's actually over there. Nope. This box right here. In here is my new front splitter. It definitely packages it safe. Ta-da! It's maxed in design. A lot of other R8s use this splitter. It's kind of the best cheap go-to. Just get it mounted tonight, see how it looks, make sure it fits. Then I'll take it off and wrap it something cool. And then figure out how to make it a little bit more durable. Right here is where it's gonna get scraped the most, as it does on my car, which I am scared to look at because you get to a point where you just don't care if you scrape anymore. And I got to that point about a year ago, and I haven't taken a look since. Let's take a look. Looks like there's a little bit right here. It's actually not nearly as bad as, oh shit, right here. Yeah, there used to be a R8 right around here, but this side's not nearly as bad at least. Yeah, just as bad. Never mind. I don't know what I need to do. I think there might be instruction manuals somewhere within. Woo, scared me. Any instructions in here? You know, at the very end, I think I see 2 bolts. Looks like they opened. Oh, yeah, there's a hole. That's a lot more hardware than I think I'm capable of. Holy shiz. Look at all that packaging. Looks like this stays on. Possibly this rubber piece comes off. And there we go. The edges were obviously a little bit easier because that's come off before. So I got it taped into position. Now theoretically, this is what it should look like. I really like how the yellow brings out the headlights, so that might have to stay. Maybe I'll do a yellow front accent right here and become like a Mopar. Got 2 holes drilled, one on this side and the same point on that side, to see if the alignment is good, and then I'll drill out the rest. So yeah, I'm gonna check out the alignment, and here it is. So I've got it actually mounted on now, and it fits pretty good. The middle's still not, it's still just the 2 ends. Car looks hungry. But yeah, now I need to fix this situation. It's been about an hour. I finally got this center bolt on. I ended up having to go with the longer one because I couldn't reach the thread where I needed to mount it. I've got one on for now. I'm gonna add more. Let's see it. Oh my gosh, it actually looks a whole lot different. I can definitely tell it already doesn't pick it up in the video, but it is so much lower now. I'm gonna scrape so much. This lip is gonna get destroyed. I'm gonna have to put 2 more bolts in right here and here for it to at least be somewhat secure. But like I said, I'm gonna wait off on that until I do an oil change. It is kind of flapping right here. Not so much over here, oddly enough. Other than that, I think it looks absolutely amazing. It gives it so much more girth up front. I'm happy with it. The only thing I don't like is this stripe is perfectly centered. And then that's off. Hey guys, I've now found myself in a Ferrari 458. This is my friend Brett's car. I'm taking it home for him. And this is my first actual real Ferrari I've driven. I've driven the Portofino and I've driven the Californias, but this is my first rear or mid-engine Ferrari that I've driven, so this is a new experience for me. I've got my Smartini in front of me to pick me up once I'm done. This is a good experience so far. I mean, it's a Ferrari, so it feels good and sounds good. blinkers are a little weird to get used to. They're actually on the steering wheel. We've got a tunnel, guys. Oh, it sounds awesome. I've got my smart car holding me up.
Why is it so hard to let you go?
Doing the oil change and hopefully it doesn't tip over. We'll see.